Web 3.0, or Web 3, is a relatively loose set of ideas about how the future web should look and operate. We are currently somewhere between the world of Web 2.0 and Web 3.0, and the exact shape of the future web isn't set by any means. So let's explore what Web 3 is and look at some specific examples of technologies that fit the Web 3 mold. Blockchain technology. The blockchain is a ledger or record of transactions. The blockchain exists in its entirety on multiple computers spread across the internet. Whenever a new block of transactions is added to the chain, all database copies must agree and be amended. All transactions are permanent and open to public view. Any attempt to meddle with the record corrupts the chain, and since validated copies of the database are spread all over the web, no central authority can control it. Blockchain technology can be used for any application to keep a record of transactions, but most people associate it with cryptocurrency, which we'll tackle next. Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is decentralized digital cash that isn't controlled by any government or central authority like a bank. Cryptocurrency uses blockchain technology to record how much currency there is and who holds how much of it. The supply of cryptocurrency is increased through mining, which provides computational power to run the blockchain in exchange for new currency. At least, that's the way it works with classic cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. In the case of the Ethereum blockchain, for example, end users pay a gas fee, which is received by Ethereum miners who process transactions. Initial coin offerings, or ICOs. ICOs are related to cryptocurrency because the coins on offer are crypto. When you invent a new type of crypto, you need initial money to get the ball rolling. People who put money into an ICO are buying your crypto while it's not worth anything, hoping that, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the value of the crypto will explode and make them a fortune overnight. ICOs are sometimes sold more like shares in a company, although they don't confer any ownership to buyers. The value of the coins is then linked to how valuable the company or its products promise to be. This is why ICOs have been so popular with startups looking for alternative funding that doesn't involve a bank, angel investors, or venture capital. There's been a lot of hype around ICOs, but unfortunately, they've also been plagued by scams and many people have ended up losing money. That's because ICOs are not yet regulated the way an IPO, or initial public offering, is, and anyone can launch an ICO. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. This is probably one you've already heard of, but NFTs are another cornerstone of Web 3. NFTs are essentially a form of crypto, but each NFT is unique and cannot be exchanged for another. That's where the non-fungible part of the name comes from. NFTs are linked to digital or physical assets in the same way that a paper title deed for a house represents ownership. One big catch is that legal authorities may not necessarily recognize NFTs, so ultimately all you're buying at this point is control over a string of letters and numbers. However, as NFT technology evolves and perhaps benefits from legislation, that may soon change. Decentralized apps, or DApps. When you use a cloud-based service like Google Docs, you're using a centralized app, which means Google has access to all the information in your documents. They can read it all and control it too. The trade-off is that we can store our information in their cloud, easily collaborate with other users, and enjoy a long list of other cloud app conveniences in return. But what if you could have all the advantages of these cloud services without submitting to a central authority? That's where decentralized apps come into the picture. Most DApps use the Ethereum blockchain to do their online computation, and so that computation is paid for using Ethereum gas fees. However, DApps conform to Web3 requirements to be public, open source, and secured through cryptography. So, DApp users control their own data, while benefiting from cloud-based computing power to run whatever function a specific DApp is designed for. For 5 more Web3 examples and a deeper discussion on the subject, check out the article linked below. See you next time.